So dealing with plane mirrors, we have very simple ways of finding the location and finding the path of the light of a reflected object. First thing we have to do is to draw a perpendicular line between the between the object and the mirror and the image. Sometimes we'll have to locate the image. The image is exactly the same distance away from the mirror as the object is away, except it's on the other side. We then have a couple of lines we need to draw. One from the top of the eye, and this involves a couple of steps for me, so just bear with me. One from the top of the eye to the top of the image. Now on the real side, or on the same side, on the same side of the mirror as the eye, that line is solid because that light actually exists. And on the image side, or on the back side of the mirror, that line is dotted because that light does not exist. So we'll repeat the same process from the bottom of the eye to the bottom of the image. And again, we need a solid line on the real side. And this is what dictates how the light is reflected from the object into the eye. So to continue this on, this ray of light that's going from the top of the eye gets reflected back to the top of the object. The ray of light from the bottom of the eye gets reflected back from the bottom of the object. We have one last task with this, and that's to show which way the light is traveling. Well, as we know, light doesn't come out of our eyes. Light gets reflected off of objects. So the light is coming from the object towards and off the mirror and into the eye. And that would complete this diagram.